How's it going, my friends? Here we are in the Jeep. Not that one, but this one right here. With my buddies, Sassy, Carlos, and Gilly. Say hi, Gilly.
Go.
We're working on this 2017 Jeep Sahara. Whatever you guys want to call it. Crawler, whatever. We are going to change the link bars. These is too loose. As I drive, it shakes. Look at that. That is freaking loose. All this outer tie rods. We're gonna put this brand new. We're gonna put this kind of brand. I forgot the name of it, but I have it right there. Clover or Cover. I think and we're gonna change the steering outer tie rods too. These the two steering outer tie rods because they're wear out. Huh, Gilly? Gilly. Oh shit, he was asleep. He's sleeping, my friend. So we're gonna change these. We have them already, and this too, the whole bar all across. Right now we got the Falcon brand, I believe. Yeah, that's the Falcon. We're gonna change all that because as we drive 70-60 miles per hour, it shakes. This is what came in the package. Here are the outer what are they? Outer tie-in rods. So they are brand new. These look heavy duty. Same like mine that I have in there. Gilly, you gonna help me? Come on, let's get to work. It's this brand, metalcloak. We're just gonna change that bar to metalcloak. So we know it used to be a Falcon, I guess. So now we're gonna change it. You wanna record me? Let me just do something very quick. Make sure that no one calls us right here. There you go. Here we go. Just make sure you get everything. The most important thing is the part, okay?
Yeah.
So. See? So this piece, I paid for everything about $600, I believe. Not including taxes. Let's see what it is and what's in here. Let's check it out. Man, this is heavy. Woo! Ooh, this is heavy. Too heavy. Damn. Oh boy. Let's see what's in here. Let's put it here on the table so people can see it. They wrap it up pretty nice, huh? Uh-oh. Look at that. Damn, that's a nice one. Look, Gilly. Way better than that one, huh? Whoa. That's nice right there. That is nice. Here are the outer tie rods for that piece. Man, this is a badass car. Gilly! Here they are. Look at that. Look, you see that? Zoom it in. Nice, nice, nice. These are heavy duty too. We got both of them there, and then the pole. This is heavy, Gilly. Does it look nice, huh? Huh? Para que you grab it from here and you tie out the outside. Lo apretas aquí. Cuando estás dando vuelta de aquí lo agarras con unas grandes clamps. It's gonna look nice when we put it right here. It's gonna go right. Damn. Okay. Oh. So that's part one. We'll start filming as soon as we remove the other parts so you guys can see how it's gonna look and turn out. And I'll see you guys in the second part. I'll put it on my video so you guys can look, okay? I'll see you soon.